Good morning, guys. It's about 5:20 right now in the morning. We are working with our chrome substrate, and again, you can definitely see, let's see, that is a mirror. Right now, we're working with the Epson P7000 SureColor. We're laying down ink. I had a client come in and discuss that he wanted custom labels made, and you can see if you want an original effect, there is no doubt that the chrome is just absolutely amazing. It gives you an effect that you really can't achieve anywhere else. Look at that. We are just going right through the process. You could see right there, I did some DA engine logos. These look incredible on this substrate when we got the red hot chrome effect. And you can see right there, we've got the 3 color changing patterns. This material, without a doubt, is some of the most profitable material you'll work with. And again, you can offer your clients designs that very seldom have been seen with inkjet printable material. And again, of course, the window that the printer has is tinted. I'm sure that's coming out in the video, but it gives you an idea of just how smooth this is laying down. That stuff is amazing. And again, once it's laminated, we'll go with our 3M8518. Durability is excellent. And again, this is a real metal substrate. This is not just a simple vinyl. We get that question a lot. It actually has a metal film layer, and that's how we get that effect. And then, of course, we put the inkjet coating on so we can accept our print. And you can see the clarity of this material is just amazing. But one thing I will say is that you want to be very, very careful when you speak around it, because as we speak naturally, we actually disperse some of our own saliva as we spit, and we don't really realize it because it becomes invisible. This material will pick up dust particulate and any type of liquid in the air very, very quickly. So please be very careful with that. You can see the DAs, they look absolutely amazing. Once again, an effect you just simply cannot get anywhere else. You can see as the light hits that, what effect you're getting with the multicolor pattern. And that was designed to look like you would see on an exhaust pipe when it gets that multicolored tinge pattern, and we've actually developed it. It looks amazing. We are coming in really, really nice right now. You can see we've got AMA logos coming in, giving you the same effect. So whatever your project is, depending upon what printer you're using, again, this is a pro-grade inkjet printer, but you do not need a printer of this level to get the same effect. We get a lot of end users now using Canons, which are amazing printers. I have one as a backup that we've used for quite some time, a couple Pixmas, and they are amazing at laying down the ink. Again, the higher the resolution of the printer, naturally, the better the effect you'll get. You can definitely see right here. Just panning it, and you can see the color spectrum. It is absolutely beautiful. They actually look like they're glowing, at least in the camera here. I don't know if they pick it up. But again, outside in true sunlight, that's when you're going to get the real effect of these. There you go. She's just finishing up right now. So again, guys, if you have custom requests as far as what you'd like to see done, as far as what materials we have some newer materials that will be released shortly. We have our completely waterproof inkjet substrate, which is going to really be huge because we get requests for that all the time. And I truly mean waterproof. Once it's laminated, this material is completely waterproof in the terms that it can survive underwater for up to 24 hours, which is unheard of in the graphics industry. We worked long and hard to get that substrate made, but you can see here, special effects you can get are just truly amazing. Printer is done. We'll eject this and we'll move over to cutting. So once again, if you guys do have questions or require quotes, again, we can fill custom orders. Message us direct at CG Vinyl. Once again, I'm Vince. You can message Joanna. She'll get back with you once again as soon as possible, and we'll go from there. Thank you all for your support. Take care.